skin glimmers and waves roll in, seagulls glide in the wind, soaring watchful and waiting. Sun reflections dance like jubilant angels, hurling shafts of light in all angles. Are these the sons of God? Are these the sons of God? White and gleaming, radiant and bright in people's gaze, sounds of laughter and joy, the music of summer's blaze. Children's playful screams stir excitement in the air, as the swash finds the end of their journey and the fading delight of their yearning. Where are they? As if transferring their delight, I lift my eyes to the sky. Behold God's glory blazing in the clouds. Sunlight spilling brilliant creativity, shimmering shades of blue and white. My mind opens wide, I feel the surging pull. All creation strains and sings, yearning for the revealing, the sons of God. The sons of God. Blessed we are that He considered us worthy to be His own. The sun glimmers on the waves, seagulls feast in the waters. In the distance waves crash with thunderous might upon ancient rocks that stand through time, and I feel the struggle deep inside creation, longing to break free. As if all creation is desperate for one glorious glimpse of the scroll unfolding, revealing what's been promised. All the earth is crying out, every wave and every sound. Heaven waits in holy creation strains and sings, yearning. Every breath declares it's coming. Heaven's promise drawing near. A holy unveiling is here for the revealing of the sons of God. Our Savior is coming soon. The skies resound, creation echoes all around, awaiting that glorious dawn. The sons of God.